Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. Today, I've decided to combine my love for seafood and biryani by making prawn biryani. Start by taking 1 kg of cleaned prawns. To this add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Mix this well until the spices are well coated to the prawns. Let it rest for half an hour. Next, take 500 grams of basmati rice. Wash the rice couple of times and then soak it in water for half an hour. Next, in a mixer grinder jar, take 4 cashews and 4 almonds that are soaked. Also peel the skin of the almonds and then grind them to a fine paste with water. Next, take 150 ml of oil in a hot cooker. Then add an inch long cinnamon stick, 6 cloves, 6 cardamom pods, 2 star anise, 2 Marathi moggu, half mace and 2 bay leaves. Give them a quick mix for 30 seconds. Then add 5 onions that are thinly sliced and saute this for a couple of minutes on a high flame. Do try this recipe in your kitchen and share your experiences in the comment section below. Also add a tablespoon of ghee and continue to saute until the onion turns golden brown. Do follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. You can see our onions are nice and done. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste along with 1/4 cup of water. I'm using the water that I used to wash the mixer grinder jar. Saute this for 5 to 7 minutes on a medium flame or until the raw flavor from the ginger garlic paste fades. You can see that the oil is separating from the mixture. At this stage, add 9 green chilies that are slit, a handful of mint leaves, 3 tomatoes that are sliced, half a teaspoon of salt, and saute on a high flame until the tomatoes turn mushy. You can reduce the chilies as per your spice tolerance. Also add a handful of coriander leaves and continue to saute. You can see the oil separating from the mixture. Now add the marinated prawns and continue to saute on a high flame for a minute or 2. Using smaller prawns for biryanis or pulavs will add more flavor to the dish. That's the reason why I've taken smaller prawns this time. Now add half a cup of curd. Give this a good mix and cook them for 10 minutes on a medium flame. Now add the nut paste that we ground earlier and give it a good mix. You know, this nut paste is the real game changer for this prawn biryani and you have to try it. Now add 2 cups of coconut milk, which is optional, and a cup of water. Also check for salt and add if required. Mix it well and bring it to a rolling boil on a high flame. Now add the soaked rice and give it a gentle mix. You know, As prawn takes less time to cook, it's much easier to make than chicken or mutton biryani. Cover with a lid and cook on a high flame for 5 minutes. Now, as you can see, both the liquid and the rice are on the same level. At this stage, give it a gentle mix as we do not want the rice to break. Squeeze the juice of a lemon. You know, even if you are making this dish for the first time, it would not fail you. Add a handful of mint leaves and coriander leaves. And again give a gentle mix. Again cover with the lid. Place the cooker whistle and cook on a low flame for another 10 minutes. Then put off the flame and leave it to rest for 15 minutes. Then remove the lid. Our prawn biryani is ready. It's cooked to perfection and smells divine. I wish you're here with me to smell this. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Serve this prawn biryani or shrimp biryani hot with some onion raita as an accompaniment. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, this is Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.